Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a well-equipped 2016 Ford Explorer Limited 4-wheel drive, stock number E1714P. 56,000 miles on this one owner. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report, white platinum in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 5-year, 60,000 mile powertrain warranty. It's a very safe vehicle as well. 5-star front and side government crash rating, keeping your family and friends safe and your insurance costs down. Seat 7 with a leather interior. Rear climate control to make sure everyone's comfortable. Middle row seats. Fold flat for additional cargo space, as well as tumble forward, making it easy to get to the third row that seats 2. Backup camera, along with rear parking sensors for additional safety. Power liftgate for convenience. 50/50 split folding rear seat. Stows easily with the push of a button. Can of course fold them in any combination. Give you a lot of flexibility for cargo and passengers. And very clean, as you can see. This Limited has keyless entry with remote start, as well as touchpad entry, power windows, locks, mirrors, memory settings for 3 drivers, power seats, power adjustable pedals, and power tilt and telescopic steering wheel that puts you in that perfect driving position. Dual moonroofs. Button start. Large, easy to read gauges with customizable dash on either side. Controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, large MyFord Touch infotainment system for climate, automatic temperature control, as well as heated seats, heated steering wheel, and ventilated seats. Keep you comfortable no matter what time of year. Radio. It's also satellite radio capable.
Search for sync on your device and select sync once it is found.
Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. It's also navigation capable. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for the things used most often. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect those media devices. Automatic transmission. 4-wheel drive. And lots of storage space in the armrest. And a large glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Overhead, moonroof and sun control, and home link transmitter for garage door opener. Under the hood, this Explorer has a 3.5 liter V6, 290 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates. An average of 16 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 23 on the highway. New brakes, and approximately 75% of the tire tread left. For more information on this Explorer, please go to Sheboygan.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.